In this video, I want to talk about how you can search code on Temu. Now I'll show you the two different kind of codes, which are the coupon codes as well as the affiliate codes. So for the coupon codes, this is pretty simple. You get the coupon codes inside of the app if you play the games, or if you open the app daily, or if you're on their email list and stuff. And the way that you can use that is by going to your profile and find coupon codes. Then in here, just type in the code and you will use it. Now, if it's affiliate codes, what you want to do is search for Temu affiliate, click on this and register real quick. Once you scroll down, you will be able to find your affiliate codes. So this link right here will be my codes. And if someone clicks on this link, it's gonna go to my referral. So these are the ways that you can search for your codes on Temu. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.